exciting opportunity for the county, and again, I got to give a lot of credit to our planning department and Jerry Santoro, his staff, and what he's been able to pull together with our Water Resource Advisory Council, of which there are many members that are here right now. When we talk about Macomb County, you talk about this pure Michigan brand, and without question, I as a kid growing up, born and raised here, come to the realization it doesn't get more pure than when we look in our own backyard here in Macomb County with our 31 miles of coastline out on Lake St. Clair and our over 41 miles of a beautiful river, the Clinton River, that runs right through the heart of Macomb County. It is our main street, and here in the city of Utica, they are taking tremendous advantage of this natural resource. And I got to give the mayor, the council, a lot of credit, as well as those that are part of the DDA and the people